Evolution of PDF software. What is PDF? PDF or Portable Document Format is a versatile file format created by Adobe that gives people an easy, reliable way to present and exchange documents, regardless of the software, hardware, or operating system being used by anyone who views the document. In 1991, setting the foundation, Adobe PostScript is firmly established at global printing standard. Also the idea, Dr. John Warnock, Adobe co-founder, outlines a technology to transform the way people work and share information in his Camelot project white paper. Year 1992, Adobe PDF unveiled revolutionary, intriguing, innovative Adobe PDF, code name Carousel, debuts, winning a Best of Comdex award. In year 1993, launching the Acrobat generation. Liberating information and the flows of ideas, Adobe Acrobat software premieres with tools to create and view Adobe PDF files. In year 1994, a growing vision. Acrobat 2.0 support embedded multimedia and links to external files within Adobe PDF documents. Also in year 1994, making tax timeless taxing. The U.S. Internal Revenue Service or IRS provide tax forms and booklets in Adobe PDF on its website for easy download. In year 1995, Adobe PDF and the Internet Revolution. An Acrobat plugin for Netscape Navigator is unveiled, increasing the popularity of Adobe PDF files on the booming Internet. Approximately 10% of the documents on the Internet today are available on PDF.
Year 1996. Professional-grade Acrobat 3.0 enables Adobe PDF documents to support complete print production workflows, spot color, halftones, undercolor removal, overprint support, and more. Year 1997. The Double Byte Advantage Japanese language version of Acrobat extends the global appeal of Adobe PDF. 1997. Extending intelligent data capture. The addition of interactive accessible Adobe PDF eForms automates and accelerates a myriad of paper-based processes. Year 1999. Feature-rich documents. Adobe PDF documents now enable users to annotate and review files, restrict access with password, add digital signatures, and capture web pages. Year 1999. Setting standard. The American National Standard Institute published the first PDF standard for blind exchange of print content. Today, Adobe supports many open standards, PDF versions including PDF-A for archiving, PDF-E for engineering, and PDF-X for printing. Year 2000. Enabling ebooks. An Adobe PDF-based version of Stephen King's first ebook, Riding the Bullet, is downloaded 400,000 times in 24 hours, totaling more copies than first-day sales of his hardcover book. Year 2001. A business standard with Acrobat 5.0. Adobe PDF technology becomes an indispensable tool for business and government professionals everywhere. Today, PDF is used by over 2,400 global government agencies to securely distribute electronic documents between agencies, departments, and the public. Year 2002. Creating buzz. Time Incorporation standardizes on PDF-X as its preferred delivery format for advertisements. Year 2003. Exchanging and protecting business data. XML support for forms and metadata, as well as the addition of more advanced security features, make Adobe PDF even more powerful.
Year 2003. Brand Power. Adobe PDF is referred in the 28th anniversary edition of the popular Trivial Pursuit board game, a sign of its increasing mainstream popularity. Year 2003. Making history accessible, the U.S. Declaration of Independence and Bill of Rights are published online in Adobe PDF. Bringing historical documents to anyone, anywhere. Today, more than 2 million PDF documents are available on U.S. government external websites. Year 2004. Working Together Better. Acrobat 7.0 is released, making Adobe PDF the tool to get everyone on the same page. Think as a team, share ideas, view and respond to each other's feedback. Combine all sorts of files into one compact documents. Year 2005. Guiding Standards ISO publishes PDFA, a global standard for archiving and preserving electronic records. Year 2006. Extending and accelerating design collaboration. Adobe introduces Acrobat 3D software to accelerate 3D design collaboration with virtually anyone around the globe by easily converting 3D designs into Adobe PDF. Year 2006. Collaborating with confidence. Acrobat 8 extends PDF functionality for business professionals to combine files, collaborate, collect data from forms, and apply advanced document control and security. Year 2007. From de facto to open standard, Adobe releases the full portable document format or PDF 1.7 specification to aim for publication by the International Organization for Standardization.
2007 Support for Safe Submission. Adobe support the signatures and authentication for everyone, or SAFE, digital signature standard that helps life sciences companies reduce time to market and the cost of clinical trial via PDF. 2007 Standard for Engineering Data. The ISO ratifies PDF-E as an often neutral exchange format for engineering and technical documentation to help support the more secure distribution of sensitive information. In 2008, PDF approved as the international standard. PDF is ratified by the ISO and is officially the public domain as ISO 3200 Document Management Portable Document Format PDF 1.7. 2008 More support for standards. The FY09 United States budget is published as a digitally signed and certified PDF document. In 2008, communicating the way you've always wanted. Acrobat 9 makes inactive content portable with PDF portfolios and support for Adobe Flash technology in PDF files. In 2010, Go in Mobile. More than 1 million customers download Adobe Reader for Android within the first 2 months in the Android market. In 2010, Acrobat X Family introduced. Experience the power of Acrobat Dynamic PDF to connect, interact, and engage in an entirely new way using PDF portfolios, fillable forms, shared reviews, and service at acrobat.com. 2010 Dynamic Trusted Essential. Today, Adobe PDF continues to be an essential technology for creating, sharing, and managing more types of information than ever before.